I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Hi, what's up guys? It's Brie Rosales and today I'm here with Auto Addict. I'll be installing the oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Today I'll be installing the 2015 to 2017 S650 headlights as well as the Dark Horse bumper on my 2015 GT Mustang. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna currently unbox these, and this is, like I mentioned before, the 2015 to 2017 S650 Auto Addict headlights. Alright guys, look, a cute little license plate cover. Alright, here we go. I'm so excited. This is gonna look so good on my car. It's just gonna elevate the front end a lot more. I think it's just gonna look a lot more modern as well. This is how she looks. I'm super excited. It's gonna look so much better. This is everything I've wanted. Alright guys, so along with the shell of the bumper comes its inserts, and just to mention that the bumper itself already comes with primer that's pre-applied, so that's really convenient. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get to installing my soon-to-be Dark Horse bumper as well as the S650 headlights. Alright, let's get rid of this shit. Ta-da! Look, I have it all set up, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and insert all of like the grills and all the other inserts that go on the front bumper.
I know. But you got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problem. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and they got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja vu. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. But what's money without happiness?
I'm dead, I unboxed it upside down. It's crazy.
I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I asked for straight from the Lord above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got.
Oh my lord. No way. I'm so excited. She looks so nice. She looks so aggressive, huh? Alright guys, so here we have it, the dark horse bumper on my 2015 GT Mustang, and also the S650 headlights that are 2015 to 2017 on my GT Mustang. I'm so happy, it looks so sexy. You guys don't forget to stay tuned for the next episode on installing and painting the bumper basically.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.